You could easily vacuum seal this and have all this bag there, but there's also something else you could do. Watch this. I'm going to put the meat in, and this might freak you out, so sit down. I'm pulling the bag out of the machine. I know that's kind of odd. I know it is. But now watch this. Just like before, I'm going to run my finger across the bag to make sure there are no kinks in the bag against the heat seal, so I get a good, nice seal. But I'm also pulling the meat up to get a nice smaller bag. Now how's that going to work? I'm going to take my sharp couteau, take my sharp knife. Here's the seal bag, and here's the front of the machine. I'm simply going to take my knife and I'm going to cut slices, cut holes, cut air vents in between the bag, in between the heat seal and the outside of the machine. So now, when I drop the top, I'm able to pull a vacuum from the slices I did in the bag. It's going to seal, then I can easily trim off the excess of the bag to have a nice compact bag and a nice compact piece of meat. And now you can see I've got a beautifully vacuum packaged piece of lamb, and you can see the seal is here and my vent holes are there. So now I'm just going to cut right across, right in front of the seal, and I've got a nice little package all set. Now, is it a waste? Well, not necessarily. With this, here are my holes. I can go ahead and trim this down. Now I've got a sleeve. I can easily seal this end and have another small bag. So this is a way of compressing meats into a smaller package from a larger bag, being able to utilize excess bag. There's all sorts of things you can do.